Turn to Allah. Welcome to our channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Social media is not a curse as most of the people think in Islam. All it depends upon its usage. Islam is not about avoiding social media or considering it wrong or saying that social media is destroying, distracting and taking us away from our religion and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It all depends upon the person using it. It all depends upon the direction one person giving to it, basically. I believe that social media is not less than a blessing for the one who knows how to actually use it. Because most of the people are getting distracted in their lives due to social media, so they blame social media for this distraction and destruction, which is absolutely wrong. Because it is all that person's fault as he don't know how to use social media in order to make good out of it, rather than getting fascinated by the filth present on it and getting destroyed gradually. My brothers and sisters, don't let social media play with your lives, because if you will not pay attention to this matter, it may definitely ruin your entire lives. Let me explain it to you. One person who is just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, it's Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram and many more such attracting apps, watching and listening the filth whole day and night, which basically ruin his habits, his routine, his perceptions, his rituals, his mindset, and most importantly, his physical health gets down. It means he is using the social media in wrong direction, and at the end of the day, he blames social media for all that laziness, distraction, procrastination, and ill-mannered attitude. And on the other hand, a person using social media in its perfect direction, like listening Quran daily, reading good books, using habit-building apps, improving his life by following motivational mentors, then he will definitely gonna make his life beautiful by the correct use of the social media. So, he will consider social media as a blessing which will make him socially, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially strong. So, my brothers and sisters, problem is not with social media, problem is in its users who don't know how to use it for their good in their lives. So, blaming social media for their shattered lives is baseless and pointless. At first, just learn how to use it correctly, because instead of using social media for doing wrong deeds, why not to use it for good deeds and see miracles happening to our lives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to get close to Allah.